Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Kate and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So I'm real excited about this recipe because I saw it on TikTok and I said, oh, how come I didn't know about this? I would have been made this. This is right up my alley. This is a Taiwanese popcorn chicken. I made it with tofu because tofu's my girl. We go together real bad. It's so easy, so simple, and it's just, you need this now. So if you want to see how I made a vegan Taiwanese popcorn chicken, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so like I said, this is gonna be quick on fast. Well, I don't know about quick on fast, but adequate and timely. So anyway, I have some ginger here, and I was so stubborn about peeling ginger. I was like, no, I know how to use a knife, I'm gonna peel a knife. But no, the TikTok reel is really ate up the whole spoon situation where you scrape the skin off with some spoon. And I'm kind of mad about that because, you know, like, as a Jamaican American, I've made my fair share of ginger tea. And the amount of time I wasted freaking peeling ginger. Anyway, I'm gonna mince it up real nice. It's about 2 tablespoons of ginger. Same thing with garlic. I know I should have used more garlic. The reason why, because if you know me, you know, like, this is not a lot of garlic, Katie. Like, are we improving? No, I just didn't feel like getting the other bulb of garlic, but we moved. So I minced those both up together as much as I could. Well, I got tired and I just minced them up together. Okay, so I've literally been planning this recipe for like 2 months. I kid you not. And you're like, well, your last video back was like 2 weeks ago. Girl, no, I was like, okay, when I come back, I'm gonna do this thing. Put my tofu in the freezer and everything. Why last night I ain't take it out? So I went to the H-Mart. I went to the H-Mart and I got this super farm tofu. So you can use that if you got an H-Mart near you or a place that sells super farm tofu. Or you could do what I was supposed to do, freeze the frost. And if you really want to be spicy, freeze the frost. Okay, so I broke that off into bite-sized pieces. These are a little bit bigger than bite-sized, but we moved. And I added my ginger and my garlic and soy sauce and a little bit of sesame oil, you know, for like a something special. And then I put it to cover for like 20, 30 minutes. I went to go do something else and I came back. Okay, so what's special about this popcorn chicken is they put a little like, I saw a little sprinkling, a little seasoning thing. And I was like, okay, that's when I really knew I had to make this. So I made my own. Listen, I don't know what was going on with the H-Mart I went to. They didn't have Chinese five spice powder. Maybe if I said it correctly, like, I would be able to find it. But no, I scoured the store, they didn't have it, and I was not gonna go nowhere else because you know I hate an errand. So I did my own little ting. If you want to add 5 spice powder to this, you can. But I did sugar, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and I did do sazon. Listen, me and sazon go together real bad. I don't know what the problem is. I have to put it in everything, girl. If I make a brownie and you taste a little, just be like, oh, that she must have put sazon in it. She must have lost her mind. Yeah. Okay, what I really wanted to do for this step was use flour, but this actually worked out better with cornstarch, salt and pepper, and water for my slurry because I was not going to use just egg because, you know, just egg, I don't know what they got going on. I don't know what the plan is, but $8 for not egg is kind of insane. So we was finna use a little slurry situation, and I think it kept it light. I feel like flour, am I good? I think flour would have worked fine, but this cornstarch slurry just kept it light. Something to bind the tapioca starch to the tofu. Okay, in a different bowl, I'm gonna use tapioca starch. I don't know why they didn't show it. I probably didn't edit it too fast. But I don't know, maybe like 2 cups, it's enough to, you know, get things moving. Tapioca starch and there's salt and pepper to taste. And I know it's like, some people like, girl, what is to taste? I'm like, just start with 1 teaspoon. If it's fresh after that, I don't know what to tell you after that, darling. Just don't use too much. Just eyeball it. And if you're new to cooking, maybe like a teaspoon, okay? So I'm gonna put my little tofu chunks. Doesn't it look good? I was like, ooh, yeah, I love tofu. She gets a bad rep because the girls don't know how to cook her. She's phenomenal. You just have to know ya do. And a lot to don't know do, but we move. Okay, so I'm gonna put them in the tapioca starch. And while I'm doing this, I have my oil going. It's like 1 inch to 1.5 inches of oil. So whatever size pot you have, put that much in there. You can try to air fry these, girl. Let me know how it goes, or bake them. I don't know. I get weird about baking stuff with starch on it because how that gonna turn out? But if you try it, let me know. Maybe you gotta dust it in some oil and stuff like that. But yeah, you're just gonna fry it. Let them sit for like, you know, a minute or so before you start moving them around. If not, you're gonna get a tofu cake. And that's gonna be your problem, not mine. But yeah, you just fry them until they're golden brown. Don't be deceptive. Don't be deceived. Starch just like browns up a little differently than like flour. So yeah. Okay, this is Thai basil. Be very careful here. Am I okay today? This is my first recipe in a minute, so I feel like you can tell. Anyway, be very careful here. All it's gonna do is just like pop, 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 pop. Don't be afraid of frying. You just gotta do it. Do be afraid of frying if you finna do it in the middle of the rain. But frying is about confidence. Just put it in there, let it do its thing, and then back away. Okay, it's all in a bowl. I think I fried my Thai leaves too long because the minute I got to mixing, okay, I think it was a little bit aggressive. You can kind of tell that. The minute I got to mixing, she disintegrated. It's still good. Like, this is so creative. It was super good, super easy. Start to finish took me maybe an hour. That's because I was lollygagging in the middle. Okay, it's really like straightforward. And also, like I said, this is my first time filming my new spot, so like there was some learning curves, but pretty darn. Yeah, you have to make this. I'm not playing around. You have to make this. Let me know how it goes. If you made this far in the video, let me know what I should do next. And also remember that everything, the recipe, my well wishes are in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because you know some of my album videos. Thank you again, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.